What is up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This footage is from our last MultiGP Tiny Whoop race. If you didn't already know, we run a chapter out of Wilbraham, Massachusetts called All American FPV. We have a MultiGP chapter as well as a Facebook group, so I'll leave both links down below. If you're in the New England area, Western Mass area, and you're into FPV drones, definitely check out both of those links and you can come to our next event. The first footage I'm going to show you is from the Mobula6HD. This is a 65mm drone with 1080p video footage capability. I have it on a 75mm frame just for a little bit more stability and thrust. So you'll see that footage in just a second. And then the second footage that I'm going to show you is going to be about the same, but it's from the Beta FPV PAVO30. The footage is from the Insta360 Go2 that I have mounted, so you can see the comparison on the videos there. The next order of business is our long-awaited hoodie giveaway. Driver Ryan and myself are giving away some custom-made hoodies with our logo on it, behind schedule, over budget. Ryan is supposed to be coming over this weekend. I am going to set a tentative date for Sunday at 2 p.m. That gives Ryan enough time to get to my house because he is always behind schedule and over budget. So fingers crossed that we make that schedule happen. We're going to do a giveaway on my channel. I believe he has already done his video on his giveaway, but definitely check out his channel as well. To be entered to win one of these hoodies, go check out my ARRMA Vortex video on the channel. I will link it up above over here somewhere, and go on that video and comment where you are from. Just your state if you're in the United States, and that gets you entered to win. So that's enough of me talking. Go ahead and check out this footage. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you Sunday.